Hello, welcome. Today let us see how to download the latest Android Studio and install on your machine. So what your favorite browser, then type Android Studio, download. Then click Android Developers, official website. Then this is the latest one here. Or you can go, or you can scroll down until this part here. So it's the same file. So just click download. Then you can go through the terms and conditions. Then check this agree this checkbox. Then click downloads. Then just wait for it for some few minutes. So depending on your internet. Also remember when we are going to install. So nowadays they have made things easier. So the JDK is also is combined with the setup and also the NDK too. So no tough the task in installing the JDK separately. So all is combined in one installer. So just wait for some few minutes to download and then we move to the installation part. Thank you.